If you have green veins, blue veins, or spider veins showing like this, girl, that is your skin crying for help.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get rid of your green veins fast. So if you have been battling with green veins, purple veins, or even spider veins, then make sure to stay, watch this video to the end, because what I'm about to spill in this video is going to help you fade off your green veins in a matter of 4 to 6 weeks. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. If you start seeing or noticing green, blue, or spider veins showing on both your chest, your hand, your face, or even your legs, I need you to understand that is not normal. It's not something you should ignore. In fact, that is your skin sending you a warning sign that your skin is thinning out. Most times, the common causes of these green veins, blue veins, purple veins that you are seeing on your skin is as a result of using bleaching cream, overuse of whitening cream, or even sun exposure. But girl, a lot of you are addicted to those steroid tube creams. It can equally cause you green veins. Now that we already know the different causes of green veins, blue veins, and purple veins, I need you to understand that your skin has 3 major layers. The outer one is there to protect you. The middle layer is the one that holds your skin's collagen and fats, whereas the inner one is the one that have your blood vessels. So when you use bleaching creams or use them for too long, it goes ahead to break down both the outer and the middle layer of your skin, and your skin will end up looking transparent like a nylon. That's why you're now seeing visible green, blue veins, because your skin is totally thinned out. So this is actually something I've seen in many clients, and the good news is actually fixable. Your skin just needs time, consistency, and the right routine for it to be able to heal and repair itself. Now, let's talk about how to actually fix or get rid of those green veins. First things first, I need you to understand that the first way to actually get rid of your green veins is by repairing your skin. You need to discontinue the bleaching cream or whitening cream that you were using. Now, the next or second step is to rebuild your skin's natural barrier. That is the middle layer that carries collagen. So I've actually taken my time to build you guys a powerful morning and night routine that I've actually tried or used on many of my clients, and it can definitely work for you as well. So let's start with the morning routine and the products you will need. If your green veins is anywhere on your body, the first step is to start with a gentle body wash, preferably a body wash that is fragrance free and soothing on the skin. For example, this Aveeno soothing body wash, or you can opt in for the La Roche-Posay body wash, or this Natrium body wash. These are amazing body washes that can help restore your skin. If you're someone on a budget, the Dove body wash is another body wash that you can equally use. All these are amazing body washes that is going to help repair your skin barrier. They are no longer going to thin out your skin. They are just going to help hydrate, moisturize, and nourish your skin. So it's creating an atmosphere for your skin to be able to heal itself by nourishing it with enough moisture that it requires. Now, for those of you that have your green vein somewhere on your face, you could get the CeraVe hydrating cleanser or the La Roche-Posay one. Whereas if you're someone on a budget, the face fat hydrating cleanser is perfect as well. Or you could get the simple micellar face wash. It also works amazingly well. Any of this face wash will do the job. Moving on, the next or second product you will need is a barrier repairing lotion or cream. Now, for your daytime routine, you want something that is soothing, hydrating, that contains amazing ingredients like ceramides, peptides, cholesterol, or rich in fats. You want moisturizers that are so hydrating on the skin to the extent that it can nourish and plump your skin all over again. You want a moisturizer that will just rejuvenate your skin to use in the daytime for you to be able to rebuild that fat and collagen layer. So some of the best barrier repairing lotions and creams I recommend you use is this advanced clinicals collagen lotion, or the Ole Collagen Body Lotion, or this Bioderma Atodem Intensive Balm, or you can even get the QEI Plus Privilege Body Lotion. Is also perfect for repairing green veins. All these are amazing body lotions that are going to help build back your skin's elasticity because of their moisture level and nourishment. So for your face, you can get the Neutrogena face moisturizer or this Aveeno lotion. Any of these two is going to work perfectly well for your face. Or you can even get a peptide serum in place of this, or you can even get both depending on the severity of your green veins. Immediately you're done applying your body lotion, the next product you will need is a lightweight healing body oil. This is going to help you seal in all that moisture that you have gotten from your repair cream. And the two lightweight healing oils I highly recommend you use is this bio oil. Please, if you're getting bio oil, ensure you get the original one, preferably the one made in USA. Or you can even use the Skin Point body oil. It also works amazingly well. Or you can even use the Skin Point retinol body oil. But if you're using this particular one, use it only at night, not in the daytime. Lastly, you're going to need a sunscreen. Sunscreen is highly needed in this routine because the sun can actually worsen your green veins and make them look worse than it was before. So if you don't want your skin getting thinner, you definitely need to incorporate a good sunscreen in your routine, preferably one with SPF 50 and above. And the ones I highly recommend is this La Roche-Posay Melting Sun Milk, or you can get the Neutrogena Hydro Boost SPF 50. These are amazing sunscreens that is going to help you fix or repair your skin. Now, when you're using a sunscreen, you don't just want to be applying the sunscreen on your face. You want to ensure that you are applying it on exposed areas on your body. You don't need to wait for your green veins to start showing on your palm or your hand before you start putting on that sunscreen on that area. Like, as long as you're not wearing a clothes that covers that area, please put your sunscreen on there. Is going to go a long way in preventing and reducing the already existing green veins. Now, for your nighttime skincare routine, you want to definitely use the same body wash that you used in the morning. So you could use your Aveeno body wash, the La Roche-Posay body wash, or any other body wash that you're using, as long as it's soothing, hydrating, and gentle on the skin. Afterwards, you're going to need to apply your treatment cream, and I highly recommend a retinol body lotion for your nighttime use that you can use 2 or 3 times weekly. So using body lotions like the advanced retinol cream, the Ole retinol lotion, or this Amlactin body lotion, or this CeraVe SA cream is going to help smoothen your skin and enhance your skin's glow. Now, here's the secret tip. When you're suffering from green veins, you don't need to be exfoliating your skin anymore. So you're going to need a body lotion that can gently and gradually do that for you. And that is the essence of adding a retinol lotion, or the Amlactin lotion, or the CeraVe SA cream to your nighttime routine as your treatment cream. That way, is going to exfoliate your skin in a gradual manner and is equally going to help you fade away your green veins. Immediately you're done applying your treatment cream, the next product you're going to need in your nighttime routine is a sealing oil. Honestly speaking, you can use any body oil at this point, or you can even use the same oil that you used in the morning. But the ones that I love and I will highly recommend are body oils that contain collagen, retinol, because these are oils that will help ensure and enhance collagen production on your skin. So using body oils like this Palmer Skin Success body oil, the Skin Point retinol oil, the Vit Gold retinol oil, or even this advanced clinical collagen body oil is going to do an excellent job in fading away your green veins. they will reduce the visibility of your veins. These body oils are top notch when it comes to rebuilding your skin's elasticity. So adding them in conjunction with your treatment lotion is going to go a long way in repairing your skin faster and reducing your veins. If you want to be extra, start taking collagen supplements like this one or this one right here, and ensure you stay away from body scrubs when treating your green veins. You also need to throw away all those whitening or bleaching products that cause that green veins. And if you're someone using like a raw serum, like this lightening serums in your routine that you usually mix with your cream, you also want to discontinue that. Now, another secret tip to fading your green veins is to go for a regular massage, or you can massage your skin daily to ensure that there is blood flow going on your skin. And endeavor to eat collagen and protein rich foods. That's why I said if you really want to be extra, take collagen supplements, because it will go a long way and help you. As you can see, your skin is not ruined, it's only crying for help. If you can be consistent with this routine, trust me, in a period of 4 to 6 weeks, your veins is going to become less visible. In fact, your skin's elasticity, the way your skin is going to feel plump and look healthy, you're definitely going to love it. So if you're battling with green veins, do not joke with this routine. It's something I actually charge money for, but I decided to put you guys on. So if you got up to this point, you're the realest MVP. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you really enjoyed it, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye.